Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome to another day in my work life. So this is my workshop. In case you've not seen it before, I run a mechanic workshop. Yeah, these are the jobs going on. You can see the cars and the lifts. So there's nothing much going on today. So I'm just so super bored. Like, what to do? What will I 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 do to keep myself busy? What will I do? What will I do? Okay, why the jobs are going on, let me show you. I think of doing a video of showing you guys what I have in my bag. I just need to do something just to get myself busy. So let me show you guys what I have in my bag. Stay tuned. This intro, like I've done the intro more than 10 times and I still get it wrong. I still don't get it right once. Hence, my name is Uju. I'm a new YouTuber here in Owerri. Hey, hi guys, good morning from this side of the world. In case you're new to this channel, my name is Uju. I'm a new YouTuber based in Nigeria, Owerri to be precise. So in today's video, I'm so bored, so bored in this office. Like I'm doing nothing while the job is going on in the workshop. All I do is just go supervise, correct one or two things, and then sit down here and do nothing. So I said to show you guys what I have in my handbag for today. Yeah, what I bring them out. This is actually my cotton bud container, but inside it I have my face wipes. I really can't go out without this because I sweat a whole lot on my face. So I really don't go out without my face wipes. It's a must-have for me in my bag. One, my hand sanitizer. I really try to protect myself as much as I can. Two, my mirror, broken. Yeah, my small purse contains my ATMs, my cards, my driver's license. So my power bank, always in my bag. What else? My powder container. My rosary. Shop every of my bag has a rosary. Make sure my rosary is with me. What else? This is my key. My needle and thread. Yeah, I have it in my bag. I normally have it in my bag. I don't even know the reason why I normally have it in my bag. What else? My nose mask. Oh, this is a bank teller. And cotton buds. What else do I have? Oh, this are rubber bands. I think it's finished now. Nothing else. Oh, I have toothpicks. That's all. So let's see what you have in your bag. Let's just have fun see while I go inside to watch my colleagues working. Bye. Yeah, they need to rechange. Okay, so what do we do now? Hello, what are you doing?